Today, we're taking a look at the UWant D100, the world's first push-in docking wet-dry vacuum. Now, I've had the chance to really get to know the D100 and see where it fits in my life, and hopefully what I share with you today will help you see where this could be an aid for you. Now, for me, one of the biggest pain points when it comes to cleaning floors is the tough stains that require an old traditional mop and a lot of elbow grease. Let's be honest. While I don't want to get a bucket of water, bring it out to the floor, soak the mop the floor, strain the mop, and repeat, while it does get the job done, it's a hassle. I mean, aren't we supposed to be moving in the direction of efficiency, right? Well, in comes the UWant D100. First thing you'll notice about the D100 is that everything is self-contained. When wanting to clean your floors, the D100 sits in its push-in base station. Push it in when done, or pull it out when you're ready to use it. Way better than having a dirty old mop laying up against the wall in your washroom, kitchen, or even outside. The D100 is not going to leave a mess. Second, you'll notice that it has a 2-in-1 water tank, meaning that your clean water and dirty water are all stored in the tank of the D100, not in a bucket where at one point you're just cleaning your floors with dirty water. The D100 is constantly providing clean water as it's mopping, keeping your floors clean and odor-free too. And this has been huge for me because if a mess happens or if there's a stain, I don't have to go through this whole setup of getting a mop. I just pull it out, go over it, and put it back. Done. Okay, let's focus on the cleaning capabilities before I tell you about its other cool features. Again, your UWant D100 is a wet and dry trash cleaning mop featuring 17,000 pascals of strong suction. So, what does that mean? Well, things like dirt, crackers, cereal, and rice will be picked up with no issues at all. I have used this constantly, and if I see a mess in the kitchen, dining room, or even near the entrance of the house where a lot of dirt can be tracked in about 15 seconds, it's a quick cleanup and back into the base station. Now, what helps with the cleaning is the D100 roller mop. Not only does it help pull dirt and debris in, but it soaks up spills like chocolate milk, juice, pasta sauce. I think you get the picture. It picks it up and stores it in its disposable water tank. And depending on the mess, the D100 automatically adjusts suction based on the amount of debris that's present. Another advantage of the D100 is its edge cleaning. Because of its design, you can easily run along sidewalls or get under cabinets in the kitchen, ensuring you're not missing a spot. To make that easier, the D100 features a floating handle which can flex, helping to protect your wrist joints after long-term use. That's a thing. The D100 also has a lay flat mode so you can get under tight spaces like couches, chairs, tables, and beds. Yeah, you can take this bad boy almost anywhere. Now, when you're using your D100, on the handle you'll have two buttons, a power and a select. The power obviously turns it on and off, but the select lets you switch between smart cleaning, turbo cleaning, which is full power the entire way, and a dry mode. The dry mode comes in handy because let's just say you finish mopping up a knocked over cup of juice. The drying feature lets you go back over the same space, but now drying. This is great just in case you have loved ones you don't want having an accident as it's drying. Now, I know I made the comparison to a traditional mop and bucket and how I'm not about all that hassle, and yeah, and at some point we do have to maintain our D100. So the 2-in-1 water tank I was telling you about is detachable. Just pull it out and dump the dirty water. But the clean water stays. Also, you can see where the dirty debris is building up. Just go ahead, rinse that. Now, not only can you rinse the tank, but also the motor and chassis of the D100 because it's IPX6 waterproof. Plus, you can clean the base station as well. But don't worry, the D100 does clean itself. After using it, push the D100 into the base station and simply press the one-click self-cleaning button. The brush roll and water tank will be automatically cleaned, and the brush roll will be dried with hot air to prevent odors. Speaking of odor, there is a deodorizing stick within the dirty water tank of the D100. This will prevent odors even if you forget to empty it. And believe me, I've forgotten. Okay, so let me share with you my final thoughts. I really like how this gives me a good clean. I still have this tactical feedback of applying pressure on tough stains, but since I have an additional roller mop, it does a lot of the work for me on those tough stains. And what's funny is that, well, if you let it, the rotation of the roller can feel like the D100 is actually walking you instead of it. I love the self-cleaning feature and how small and stylish the D100 is too. It looks like modern tech in my house instead of a nasty old smelly mop lying around. And anybody in my house can just pull the D100 out, clean up a mess, and put it back. Dare I say, not even the kids can complain. If I have to give the D100 a mark, it would probably be noise. When it's self-cleaning, it can get a bit loud, but I'm cool. It's either that it's cleaning itself or me getting the bucket, cleaning the mop. Yeah, no. All right, hope this video helped you out. Take care, bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below to pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you like what's going on here, hit that like button. If you love what's going on here, hit that subscribe button and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you next one. Take care, bye.